All right, welcome everyone to the Matchmaking and Team Formation session for the HackHERHealth FemTech Innovation Hackathon. I am Michele Erba, so I think I wrote a message to each one of you privately, so you can finally put a face on a name. And yeah, let's get right into it. And before we start this session, I want you to know that we will be recording it and we'll be sharing it on a tab on Eventornado, so you can rewatch it at any time. And in case you have any questions, you are free to use the chat functionality here on Microsoft Teams. We will try to answer all of the questions at the end. Today, it's all about matchmaking and information, so other technical questions on Eventornado, for example, how to, I don't know, contact the mentors, how to submit deliverables. This is something that we will cover along the way. Today is going to be, again, as I said, about the information. So let's see the agenda for today. So after this brief introduction, I will tell you more about how to build the dream team. So the perfect composition a team for this event should have, and some other tips about how to leverage all the support that we gave you in this hackathon to make the most out of it. After that, I will explain to you once again. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with this, but repetita iugat. So I will explain how to find a team on Eventornado, how to, for example, paste the link to your idea if you're trying to find additional team members, and so on. Around 5:20, we will give you the floor to some of you. We already have a list of people that would like to pitch, people or teams that would like to pitch. And this will be the chance for you to connect with other participants. So either if you're looking for other team members for your team, or if you're participating individually, this is the time for you to come up on the stage and pitch yourself, so the others can have more details about your profile. Now, I'm getting in a chat in a moment that someone cannot see my screen. Can somebody else confirm that you guys can see my screen? Yes, you guys can. Okay, perfect. All right. So maybe Luna, you can consider going off and then rejoin again. Maybe that could solve the issue. So going back to the agenda. Yes, again, we will give you a stage to introduce yourself. We will allow you to start the audio and video, and that will be it. After this, we will answer the questions that you can again share here on the chat. And then after that, thank you so much, and we can all go on with our day. Okay, now next slide, building the dream team. So in here, we will explain to you the perfect team composition. So you should take into account the following. Before I start with this slide, let me go back again here. What we are sharing here is just a suggestion. So it's what we think could be a perfect team to participate in the hackathon. It doesn't mean that if your team has not this kind of composition, cannot participate or will face difficulties. This is just something that we think in our experience could really help you boost the outcome of your hackathon. So sorry for that, going back to the next slide. So when you're creating a team, you should take into account these things. So in terms of, let's say, members of your team, it's good to have a member in the health field. So of course, this is the name says it all, HackHERHealth Hackathon. So if you have a team member with a background in the health sector, is really valuable asset for your team. This hackathon is also strictly very high AI related. So an expert in AI, machine learning or LLM is a plus. And also it would be good to have a presentation member. So a graphic designer or a video editor can really help you boost your presentation. Why am I saying this? Because as you already know, maybe some of you don't, but one of the deliverables of this hackathon is a video and also a presentation. The video is very important for the jury members because it will be your time to shine, your 180 seconds to shine. So having someone that can put all the information and wrap it up and present it very clearly to the jury members, it is good. It's good for you. Another thing to consider is the time zone. So if you are putting together a team with very different people, maybe you don't know these people, maybe you met them here on Eventornado, you should consider how time zone can affect your collaboration. I'm not sure if we have people from Australia here. I don't think. Yeah, I will check. But if there is someone from your team from Australia, from that part of the world, or maybe US, then you should consider this also. Now, another thing that you should consider is that we are encouraging people participating fully physically in Gothenburg or fully remotely. So basically, if you're trying to set up a team, try to do that where all the team members can go all together physically in Gothenburg, or either everybody's at home or whatever they are to join remotely. This doesn't mean it's not allowed to have mixed teams in this sense. So you can also have a team with people, some of them participating in Gothenburg and some other from home, and you're still communicating on Eventornado. But you just need to, again, consider this implication when setting up a team. About the ideal team size. So we have some, on the terms and conditions, we state that we allow teams of 2 to 5 team members. But for a better hackathon experience, we recommend having 3 or more team members. So 3 or more would be more than great. And at last, we still need to disclose the details on how to get in touch with the mentors. This is an information that we will reveal soon. So include them as much as possible in your team and leverage their expertise for this hackathon, because they're really important support members of your team. Okay. Now, how to find a team on Eventornado. So let me go to the Idea tab and define your team channel. I will go very quickly for this because I'm sure that you guys already know how to do this, but let me share with you maybe some other information that you don't have. If we go on Eventornado, if we go on the Ideas tab, in here you will see all the ideas participating in the hackathon. There are some icons here that you should take into account when looking for a team. For example, if I see a 0 here in the missing roles, it means that this team is not actually looking for additional members, at least on Eventornado. They didn't state anything. But if I look at this team from Amar, I see that there is looking for 5 additional roles. So let's explore this a little bit further. And as you can see here, if you go down here, you can see that they're looking for a medical professional, an AI professional, data analyst, and so on. So you can go on, explore all the ideas here, and then click here to apply to join this team. So if you do this, Amar is going to receive a notification with your application, and then you can decide whether you can start chatting together on Eventornado and can decide whether it's a good match, and you can join this team. This could be one way. The second way is to go back here on the event chat. And on the event chat, we have our Find Your Team channel. And then as you can see here, we have a lot of people writing messages. So let's look at this one. For example, Kaja is participating individually and looking for a team. She provided all the details about their background, preferred challenge, and so on. Also the time zones. So this is also important to share. And on the other end, Milena here is on the other side. She has a team and she is looking for team members. So what she's done is completely correct. She pastes the link of her idea here, and people can click on the link and then explore this idea more and then understand if they can apply or not. Also Milena here is looking for other roles, as you can see. So this would be the way for you guys to find your team on Eventornado. Now, let me go back to the presentation and share also this information. Some of you might be in the situation in which you still don't know what kind of challenge to address, or you still don't have an idea, clear idea, but you still really want to participate. This is completely normal. And what is our suggestion here is to put together a team with diverse perspective, diverse backgrounds, and then together you can come up with an idea during the hackathon. So you can sit down on Saturday, talk between each other, and then from this ideation phase, let's say, or problem discovery phase, maybe, you can come up with an idea and then converge on it and then start building on that. So that would be our suggestion in case you're still unsure about the hackathon, or if you don't have an idea. This also can be done. So it's completely normal. All right. Now, another reminder. By this Wednesday, so 10 of April at 1 p.m., you must be in a team of minimum 2 people correctly registered on Eventornado. So this must be done also if you plan to participate in Gothenburg. Please do not come to Gothenburg with no team, because that would be difficult for us to manage. So the clear process here is to create it on Eventornado. So we also have, as organizer, a clear view of how many teams are participating. And yeah, please do this by Wednesday at 1 p.m. So that would be our reminder. And now it's time to call the first people on the floor. So we should have with us Kali. And Kali, if you can raise your hand, I already see you here. Maybe I can allow you to speak. Okay, and I can allow camera. So can you speak, Kali?
Yes. Hello. Hi.
Hi there. How are you doing? Everything is good?
Yeah, everything is good. Yeah. So.
All right.
I mean, just present myself a bit, or how does it work?
Yes. One thing that I forgot is if you can please start telling us if you plan to participate physically in Gothenburg or remotely, and then if you can provide your background, your skills, if you have a preferred challenge, and also your time zone.
Yeah. So I'm located in Gothenburg, so I am open to join both in person, but I also online, so I'm open to both depending on the team. I'm a business designer, so my skill set is an abilities between the business and design perspective, both like covering both the desirability and viability. And at the moment, I'm doing an internship here in Gothenburg. I'm quite used to working in multidisciplinary teams and working with design thinking and so on, but also having that kind of analytic, holistic perspective of design and business. And I don't really have a preferred challenge. I'd maybe have some favorites, like number 4, 2, 3, and 4. I think it's the ones I'm mostly interested in. And what I think I can bring into a team is, having that kind of one foot in each of the 2 fields. And I'm very used to working within teams and have some project management skills, but I'm also very open to just be a team member. Have graphical design skills as well, video editing. So if I could be like a presentation member, that could also be nice. But it's like my first hackathon, so I'm
welcome.
Yes.
Welcome to the first hackathon. So while you are here with us, let me maybe share again my screen. I think your case is a perfect example of the tip that we gave here. So since you mentioned that you are an expert or you know your talk about design thinking, I think you could be a very valuable member to help the people in the, let's say, problem discovery phase, and then ideation, then converge all together on an idea. So I think this could be a really valuable asset for any team that is still unsure about the challenge category, but also to any other teams, I guess. So yeah, perfect. Thanks so much for the introduction. But by the way, I will also, after this call, I will also share the names of everyone who's speaking, because I know it's difficult to remember after this call. So all the names of Kali and all the people that are coming will be shared with you after this call. All right. Thank you so much, Kali. It's been a pleasure to meet you. All right. One thing that I forget about this session is that yes, we are starting with participants like Kali that already booked their slot to speak, but you can still use the raise hand function of Teams in case you change your mind, you would like still to pitch your team or yourself. You can still do that if we have enough time today. So now it's time for the second speaker of today. So let me check if we have Marina with us. Marina Asayek. Let's see. Yes, let me ask her to speak and also allow the camera. Hi, Marina.
Hi. Yes, now the camera's on. Yes.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. All right. Everything is fine. Yes, as for Kali, I kindly ask you to tell us if you plan to participate from Gothenburg and or remotely. Where are you based?
I am based in Stockholm, so I'm planning to join remotely.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Go on. The stage is yours.
Thank you. So shortly, my background is that I'm a lawyer, and right now I'm working specifically with data protection questions, and I also have some. I've worked a little bit with data protection questions within the AI, so I kind of have like that expertise, if you want to call it. So I think that I could add that perspective into the questions. I also have worked with social entrepreneurship, so I can work with concept development. I feel like that could be beneficial to most teams in developing the ideas and kind of selling them in a way. And beside that, I'm just generally interested in psychology, and I feel like a lot of the questions kind of go into that aspect since I'm mostly interested in challenge 2 and 4. Yeah, that's basically it, and I'm open to developing different ideas. I have some ideas so that I can develop with someone that is open to developing other ideas, so I'm kind of open in that way. Yeah, I think that was kind of it.
All right. Thank you so much, Marina. Okay. Perfect. So let me maybe jump to the next speaker. And the next speaker is Berglind. Give me a second. Let me see if we have Berglind. Yeah, here we are. Okay, now the Berglind, and also I will ask her to allow the camera. I can pronounce your name. I can definitely not pronounce your surname. I guess you're from Iceland, maybe?
Yeah, spot on.
Yes,
yeah, it's better than you nailed it, by the way. I'm sorry, I'm at home fixing dinner for the kids, so it's like very informal pitch.
Yes, it is. No worries.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm Icelandic, but I'm based in Gothenburg, and I lived here 7 years now this summer. My background is it's like what I would call best of 3 worlds. My background is in psychology, software engineering, and graphic design. And I currently have been, and I've been working as a product designer. It's kind of like what encapsulates all of those 3 touching points, my pillars, and product management. So I've been living in the digital sphere now for over 10 years, been delivering digital health apps and financial technology apps, so like financial management apps. And I'm just like overall digital maven, I would just call me that. I'm also pivoting into like leaning more into AI just in general. AI and product management, also AI strategy, and AI and board executives even. So as the challenges that I was interested in, well, I was kind of open for all of them. Even new one, I don't have anything like picture perfect, but I have like ideas floating around. So I'm also ready to ball like ideas if somebody is open for that. Some other teams are open for that. I should also mention my husband and a large part of my friends here in Gothenburg are doctors. My husband is a surgeon working at Sahlgrenska, and I have a lot of friends also, and I've gotten a lot of insights, and I can get like really close to the operational source, if you could call it. It's talking directly to physicians and getting insights from them as well.
Okay, so you can get some sort of, let's say, valuable external support in case.
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah.
All right. Maybe you already told us, but I'm not sure. Are you planning to participate physically in Gothenburg or remotely?
I think I will be in Gothenburg and I will come in, but I think some part of the time I would need to. I can't stay the whole Saturday, for example, but I will come in.
Okay, understood.
So I might need to complement a little bit like virtually, but the idea is that I would stay. Yeah.
All right. And final question, can you please pronounce your surname now that we are done?
My surname? Well,
yes.
It was Backlund. You nailed it. You got it.
Okay. All right.
But then my last name is Ingebergsdottir. That's another one. That's a little bit harder.
All right.
Yes.
Understood. Okay. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure to meet you, and then hopefully see you at the hackathon. Bye. Okay, perfect. Now let's jump to the next speaker. Setu Dambare should be with us. Let me see if I can find. Here we are. Allow microphone and allow camera.
Hi.
How Setu? Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
Everything is fine. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Gothenburg. Yes.
Okay, so you plan to participate physically or remotely?
Yes, so I can participate physically as well as remotely, whatever the team decides. It's totally fine with me.
Awesome.
So
okay.
I can start talking a little bit about my background. So I am trained in molecular biology from Lund University in Sweden. And currently I'm doing an assignment at AstraZeneca. Here I work as an associate scientist, so basically in the laboratory settings mostly. This is my first hackathon. That is another way of saying I cannot code, but I'm good with ideation and content writing. I'm also good with presentations. I can research any topic theoretically, and I can also do some market research. And I can be good with AI tools, and I know that we will be provided some of them, so that's good.
That's correct.
Yes, about the different challenges, I think all of them were really nice and really inspiring, but I'm mostly interested in challenge 4, 2, 3, and 5 as well. Yeah, so hopefully I can find a team, and yeah, that's it for me.
All right, thank you so much, Setu. So we will share your name as well as the other ones after this call ends. Thank you so much for coming on stage.
Thank you very much. Bye.
No problem. All right, so now we should have with us Martina Chiesa, but I don't see her in the list of participants. Maybe, can you raise your hand, Martina, if you're here? Here, because you are Chiesa Martina. All right. Allow microphone and then allow camera.
Yes, hello, hi everyone.
Hi,
I'm Martina. Hello. Yeah, I can tell you something about myself. I'm Italian, but I'm based in Gothenburg. I work at AstraZeneca, but I don't have medical background, as I work as a statistical programmer. So my background is in statistics. I've also studied some social sciences, so mostly psychology. And my master is in data science, so I have also some AI skills, but not as a software developer. I've also worked at Norvolt in a different role, in which I was interfacing with many teams. So I'm used to work with people in groups, and I've been assigned to many projects, and I'm eager to go on with this challenge, and I hope to find a team today. My major interest within this challenge is within this hackathon is for the challenge 2 or 1 actually. Also obesity is one of my interests, but I'm open for the others as well.
All right, perfect. Do you plan to, since you are there, you plan to participate physically or also remotely or both?
I'm open to both options. As you said, since I'm there, I can. Since I'm in Gothenburg, I can join in both ways.
All right, perfect. Well, it's been a pleasure, Martina. Thank you so much for coming to the stage, and hopefully see you in a team in the hackathon.
Thank you.
No problem. Now we have the first team speaking about their idea, and we should have Clara Jacquet. Let me allow her to speak and also to start the camera. Before we start with Clara, again, as I said before, in case you guys would like to speak after Clara, Clara is actually our last, let's say, booked speaker. So in case you would like to speak after her and pitch yourself or your team, feel free to raise the hand, and then we will allow you to speak. All right. Hi, Clara. I don't think we can see you. Maybe we can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
And see me now? Okay, thanks a lot.
At least I cannot see you, but I don't know. But anyway.
Okay, you cannot see me. Is it possible maybe to share something since you cannot see me? I'm sorry.
Let me see if I can do that. I don't think I'm allowed to do this. Okay,
only meeting organizers can share.
Yeah, only organizers can share. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe in the background if Sylvia or Martin can help us with this, but
try to restart the camera.
Is it better now? We can see you.
Okay,
yes.
at least you get to see me. Okay.
Yes.
Nice meeting you. Thanks for introducing me. So I'm here today to proudly introduce the team named Symptom Savvy. It's a Stockholm-based team, and our project belongs to the challenge number 5. We named it DiagnoSmart Platform. The concept or the origin of the idea is that there is this observation that symptoms for disease can be quite different between genders. And we have observed also that there is a bias in our society focusing on the male symptoms in general. For instance, the example of the heart attack. Everybody thinks about pain chest or pain in the left arm. And in reality, women are more likely to experience nausea and jaw pain. So when they explain this kind of symptoms, it can introduce some delay in the diagnosis, and in the worst case scenario, leads to a misdiagnosis. So the solution we would like to propose with our project is a clinical decision support tool, which would come in the form of an application for a medical professional. it would require input the symptoms and other patient data, such as pre-existing disease or the patient history, his family history. And from this data, the app would return disease risk information, which would be estimated using an artificial intelligence model. And this model would be built carefully considering the difference of symptoms between gender. And hopefully this could help reducing the risk of misdiagnosis and the delay in the diagnosis in general. So currently our team is made of 2 scientists and 1 front-end and 1 data analyst. It's the first time that we will be working together, and it's our first hackathon as well, so we're quite excited.
Welcome.
Our main goal is to have fun and learn together from our experiences and from the experience of the hackathon. So far, we have made some plans to stay over at one of the team member place, which is located in Tullinge, 15-minute walk from the Pendeltåg station. She owns a small dog, so that's also to be taken into consideration. And we've planned plenty of nice food. So if you would like to know more about us, please go on the Tornado platform and read about the team members and the description of the project. And for now we are 4, but we are open to suggestion for a 5th member. And if you're interested to join physically, because that's how we believe we can have fun and learn from each other. So just reach out, tell us a bit about yourself, how you would like to contribute or what you would like to learn on this hackathon. And we will get back to you as soon as possible. And we're looking forward to this experience with the entire community.
Thank you so much, Clara. I'm sorry, maybe if I missed it, but is there any particular profile of 5th participants team member that you're looking for? Some particular skill that you're missing?
We are quite open. We didn't identify a specific aspect of the profile aside. Be willing to join a house full of people to work together in Tullinge for the weekend. Okay. We would prefer physical presence. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I understand. Okay. Perfect. All right. Yeah. I mean, thank you so much, Clara. And I will share your detail with all the members after this meeting. Thank you.
Great.
Bye-bye. All right. I see that we have other people that would like to speak. I will ask Louise Arms to speak because I believe she raised the hand like a few minutes ago and then she lowered it. Is that correct, Louise?
Hi. Yeah, it didn't look like it worked, so I had to like do it again. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So that's why. Yeah. So you lost the priority. Yeah. You lost the priority, and then I put you back. Yeah. Okay. All right. Nice to have you here. Are you planning to participate physically or remotely?
I would like to attend physically if it's possible, but I'm open to doing both. But I really feel like meeting people and having this energy when you're together is really something I really enjoy. So I would prefer meeting physically. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And please go on with your, the floor is yours. Tell us more about you.
Yes, thank you so much. I hope no kids barge in here at the moment that I'm home and they can come in, but yeah. So I used to be in marketing and I've been a social media manager for a lot of years doing project management and content creation and things like that. So I have a lot of experience when it comes to video editing and pictures and presentations and things like that. But I decided a year ago to change my career. So I'm studying to become an electronics engineer and work with embedded systems. And yeah, so totally different. And I'm also
that's a big
mindfulness.
change, yeah. That's
Sorry?
a big change.
Yes,
That's a big change, yeah.
It's quite a change. But
Yeah.
as a kid, I used to love just working with like electronics and look into it. But my path wasn't like there were no adult there to see like a girl liking these sort of things. So I'm really grateful to Sweden for the possibility that you can come back to something after many years doing something else, which I actually also enjoyed very much. So perfectly happy with how it went. So yeah.
Nice.
I'm also a mindfulness teacher, so I was really happy to see that many that are attending were open to a new holistic view of humanity. So so am I. So would be super cool to have people on the team that are also more having that sort of way of seeing us as a species. I have posted an idea, but I'm open to other ideas. It's my first hackathon, but I have attended a design thinking workshop before. So I'm thinking that might be something that can be beneficial to my team. Yeah, so the idea I have is connected to the girls, neurodivergent girls. But I am open to others. But now I had someone connecting with me before, just 5 minutes before the meeting. So I'm hoping we can talk a bit more there. But otherwise, I will post the idea in the chat, and people are welcome to look into it.
That's the way to do that. Absolutely. Yeah.
So,
all right.
Success, no kids barging in.
yeah. Success. Maybe now they will come on, you know, all together after you finish this call.
Yes.
Usually it's the contrary, you know, usually they're coming when the call is up. All right, Louise, it's been a pleasure to meet you. And then, yeah, we'll jump to the next speaker. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, we have Chaitanya Gore. Let me allow the microphone and let me allow the camera. I hope again I pronounced your name correctly. Hi, Chaitanya. Yes, we can. Hi, welcome.
Okay. Yeah, so hello everyone. I am Chaitanya Gore. I work with Zenset here in Lindholmen in Gothenburg, and I work as a software developer, mostly embedded software developer, but I can handle other programmings. I know Python and C++. And I'm looking for a team with any idea. I have one small concept, but I cannot say, but I can say that I am ready to work on any idea and support the team at my best. I have participated little bit in competitions, kind of hackathon, but not entire weekend hackathon thing. Yeah, and as I am in Gothenburg, I am open to be in present, to make more networking and get connected with people, but also I am okay to work online. Yeah, but yeah, I prefer to be in present. Yeah, so my main expertise is like I can make small models on AI, but not on LLM or something, but I can use those via APIs. Yeah, so feel free to reach to me. I'm already in contact with some people and trying to have chat and understanding which idea is working better for me. And yeah, that's it for me. I posted my LinkedIn profile in the chat, so feel look at there and connect with me.
Yes. Yeah. So thanks so much, Chaitanya, for the teams that are watching this. I think Chaitanya would be the perfect, let's say, AI or LLM or ML member that we mentioned before with the skills to complete your team. Okay, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure to meet you. And then
thank you.
I will give the floor to, I believe, Milena Miernik. Give me a second.
Yes.
Hi, Milena.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, hello. You've already given me some floor because my idea was the one that you showed as an example. So thank you for that.
Yes, yeah, right, you're right. Yes.
Yeah. So my name is Milena. I'm based in Gothenburg, but as all the others have said, I'm perfectly fine doing it remotely as well. And I come with an idea, but it's my first hackathon as well. Feels like it's a theme among many of the participants. Me, myself, I have a background in linguistics, sociolinguistics, but for the last 4 years, I've been coding. I'm a Python developer, and I work with, I have an internship in a company that works with AI, and I can work with LLMs, machine learning, deep learning, applied AI, things like that. And I have an idea for developing a smaller thing. I loved how big scope some of the ideas had. But mine is slightly smaller. Mine is just solving a small everyday problem of not knowing what to wear when the weather changes. It's for challenge number 2. And I'm myself neurodivergent. It's something that I struggle with. I think it's slightly infuriating that the weather is not consistent every day. And I have to go through the whole process of choosing, is it jacket today or not? So I think that small, insignificant problem is a theme also with neurodivergence among women and girls, that our problems seem small and insignificant. Just because we don't struggle with communication and achieving life goals doesn't mean that we don't need some extra support in other areas. Absolutely. And the consequences of choosing a jacket on a hot day is again the sensory overload. So it seems like a silly idea, but it goes deeper than that. So I am looking for basically everybody, because only an hour ago I got one more team member. So I am looking for back-end, front-end developers. I am looking for people who can help out with the presentation, with the ideas. So if you think that my idea sounds interesting, or that I seem interesting and you want to recruit me to your idea, I think I'm also open to that. I'm just excited to participate in your event.
Thank you so much, Milena. Everything is clear, and yeah, let's hope that we can find you some more couple of team members, or you can join another idea, as you said before.
Yeah.
The important thing is that you participate.
Yeah. So thank you for organizing it, and good luck to all the other participants.
Thank you so much. All right, time to leave the floor to Carlotta Hilger, and let me move her to the stage. Hi, Carlotta. How are you doing? I think there is a problem with the audio. Let me check if you're. Yes. I can see that you're muting and unmuting, but still we cannot hear. Can you try to speak? No. Yeah, maybe there is no microphone connected. Yeah, I think it's another problem. All right, let's do this, Carlotta. Can you please try to rejoin again, and then I will try to allow you to speak again. Okay. All right. Cool. So now we should have Venkataram Shirindi. Let me allow the camera.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, Venkataram. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Okay. So I'm not coming on camera. Sorry, I was in video ready. But anyways,
no
I'm Srinidhi. I work for AstraZeneca for the past 1.5 years. So I just posted my idea here. And my skill set is mainly around Python, data analytics, and I come from a data science background. I have a postgraduate degree in data science. So Python, data analytics, and Kubernetes. So my idea is I'm interested in working for the category 5, reducing the gender health gap. My idea is for most women get inspired by stories and of their own personal experiences or stories of acquaintances or friends or anything. So my idea is to create an app where women can post inspiring stories about their health or how they overcome their health difficulties and sustained in a corporate world. And they can post stories in video or blog format, and other women can read these blogs or videos. So in a daily basis, it'll send, this app will send notifications on to everyone who are members, saying that we have new stories. So you can either be a dormant member there in the app where you just listen to or view other people's stories, or you can be an active. So it's basically a women's support group in a form of an app. That is my idea. Again, I'm not, I'm open to working in any other team with any other better ideas, or I'm happy if someone else is willing to join me in this idea as well. So that's all.
Thanks so much. I believe you just posted it, as you said. So I suggest for you and also for the other people to paste the link of your idea on the Find Your Team channel, so people know that that the idea is there. And yeah, okay. Everything is clear. Sure. And thank you so much. I really hope to see you at the hackathon.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. So Carlotta, right now she's saying that the microphone should work. Let's try again. Okay. Hi, Carlotta. Now we can either see you or hear you, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, she's not able to unmute. Let me try again this. Disable mic and allow mic. Maybe try now. Still not able, right? I don't know, maybe, I guess, yeah, no, still not. I guess maybe if you guys have a...
We're back!
Wait, now we're there, we made it. We can hear you and see you. Yes, we can.
Perfect.
Hi. Welcome.
Yeah, it's not just me, it's also Hannah. We're kind of a team already, but we don't really have an idea. But we would like to join a team together, and we would also like to join in Gothenburg in person, because I don't know, we would prefer to have that like atmosphere of meeting people in person. I don't know, to introduce us, I'm studying software engineering. I'm currently finishing my bachelor. So I have a lot of programming experience and also a bit of experience in AI and machine learning. I wouldn't say I'm an expert, but I would say I have the skill to learn the necessary things to contribute in that part as well.
I'm doing my master in medicinal chemistry, and I have a side job for social media.
Yeah, and we're basically interested in all the challenges. We're also open to join a team who's still looking for ideas. Yeah.
Okay, so my question here, I didn't have the chance to check if you guys already provide your description on the Find Your Team channel with these details. So,
no, I mean, we don't have an idea yet, so we were pretty much looking to join a team with an idea or someone without, but we didn't post the team yet.
No, I mean, I understand about the team, but maybe if you can go back to the Find Your Team channel and then describe yourself in there, so people can remind, who are you, what you said in this live session, and we can help you find a team. And it's really great to see this kind of energy in participating in the hackathon, and we really hope to see you physically there on Gothenburg.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. All right, we should have Anne Moonen. Okay. All right. All right, Anne, can you start your microphone and the camera? Let me check if maybe there is another problem with the microphone. Can you unmute yourself, Anne? Can you try to unmute? Still not allowed. This is weird. Let me, okay, maybe now. Now, yes, now it should work.
Yes, there I am.
Hi,
Yeah,
hi,
perfect.
Anne.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi. Thanks for muting me. Yeah, so my name is Anne, and I'm also looking for a team, so I'm still a lone flyer. I have a background in, I just finished my master's in interaction design. So I'm now currently trying to find a job as a UX designer. So I think my skills are mostly in like the ideation phase and really diving into what the users need and to get this view in there. I'm based in Gothenburg, so I'm originally from the Netherlands, but moved here like a couple of weeks ago. And so I really want to participate in person as well. I think I like to meet new people, and I think the vibe when you're physical there is really nice. But if that's not possible, I'm also open to join an online team. And I'm mostly like, I have a preference for challenge 4. I really like, yeah, I don't like the subject, but I think it's a really challenging subject that, yeah, has to, is a big problem in society. So I think that's me.
Yeah. No, thanks so much, Anne. I didn't catch if you are willing to participate both physically or remotely, or maybe you told it. I can't remember.
Yeah, I have a preference to be in Gothenburg, like to be physical. But if online is the only option as well, then I'm open for that as well. But
okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Anne. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye bye. All right. We should have Amin with us. Okay. All right. Hi, Amin. How are you doing?
Hi, Michele. Hi, everyone. I'm really glad to take part in this event, and I'm looking forward to visit you in Gothenburg. Actually, the one who attend there. I'll make it short. Actually, to be honest, until Friday night, I have no idea what is going on. But after registration, I'm come up with an idea, and I will share the link of the idea, and I will be happy if everyone who is actually interested in that join the team, and we will together work on it and find some solution for the problem we found in the challenge 1.
Perfect. So yes, please go on and share your idea on the Find Your Team channel. And also, if you want, I see that some people already share the link also here in this chat, so you can do both. And this way,
of course,
we can help you find a team. And thank you for being short because we are running out of time.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, of course. So
and
see you.
Yeah, see you at the hackathon. Thanks so much. All right, we should have the last speaker, 2 speakers, Ginal. 3 speakers we have still, and the first one is Ginal.
Hey, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi, everyone. I will not take much time. Let me introduce myself. I am living in Gothenburg, so I'm open for both by physically presence or remote work as well. My profile is I'm a software developer and having 3 years of experience. My expertise in backend development, front-end development, and mobile app development. And before jump into the IT field, I was in a different domain. It's a healthcare sector where I worked for 7 years. So total, I am having 10 years of experience in healthcare domain and IT domain. So I'm open for all the challenge, but my preferred one is first, third, and fifth one. Thank you so much.
All right, Perfect. Thank you so much, Ina. Everything clear, crystal clear. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
See you at the hackathon. Okay, so we have the last two speakers. The first one is Olivia. So,
hello.
Hi, Olivia. How are you doing?
Hi, everyone. I'm good, thank you. I'll also be quick. So first of all, I'm based in Athens in Greece, so I can only join remotely. I think that's important. And yeah, quickly about my background. So first of all, I don't have idea yet. I might have one and post it. I don't have a team. My background is project management in machine learning and AI projects. So I work with engineers, but also with people who are non-technical. So I can translate the technology, let's say. So maybe I could be useful, for example, in the pitch. I also have background in marketing management, community management. This is where I can also be useful. And I have a degree in data analysis, so I can write some code and do some EDA and some simple stuff. But yeah, I have, let's say, I can do a bit of everything. So I'm happy to join some of your teams. My preferable challenge is the first one because I have interest in hormones, and I think that's very related. But I'm happy to join any challenge. Okay, I'm done.
Also others. Yeah. No. Everything again. Also here, everything is clear. Thanks so much, Olivia. In case you decide to go on with your idea and create one, remember just to paste the link in the Find Your Team channel. Over, right? Okay, thank you so much. I think we have our last speaker today, who is Catherine. Let me unlock the camera again and see. Hi, Catherine. Let's see if you're able to unmute, or maybe we still have the technical problem that we had before.
Oh, awesome. Hello.
Hi, Catherine.
Hi, I hope you can hear me clearly.
Yes, we can.
Awesome. Okay, my name is Catherine Kimani. I'm based in Kenya. So basically I'll be participating remotely. And I'm really looking forward for this because this is basically my first hackathon. I'm a software engineer, I'm a student and also taking an internship. And there's this category that has, I feel like I want to participate in it, basically category 3. So I want to join a team. I've already joined one, so I'm just basically just waiting for if they will accept my invite. And I'm really looking forward for this. So yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Catherine. Okay, so let me go back to the chat. Maybe I don't see any question that we have here. So let me 1 second share my screen. We still have a couple of minutes more. In case you guys have some other questions related to the information, feel free to ask on the chat or maybe raise your hand as Evelyn did. So let me see if I can allow her to speak. No, she lowered the hand. Anyway, in case you guys have any question, shoot it on the chat and we will answer. In case everything is clear, or maybe you have a question that comes up later on, you can always reach out to me on Eventornado. You can write me a direct message directly there, and we will cover any aspect of this. And at last, before we end this meeting, this live session, just a reminder that we have other live session coming, live session 3 to 7 in the next days, and they will finish on the 11th of April. And you will also get a reminder for that on Eventornado as we share in these days. So to wrap it up, thank you so much, guys. It's been a pleasure. And we really hope to see you all in the hackathon and find your team or create a new team to participate. It's been a pleasure, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.